This thing's locking sound actually sounds like a real shotgun. Literally, I'll show you. So this thing right here, we're going to be shooting it. Yeah. So I'm setting up the camera. Hi. So this is the gun. First, I'll show you the ammunition dropping sound. Like that. It's already loaded. So it's just. That's the locking sound. And this is the shooting sound. This is the locking sound. And this is no arm sound. Nothing comes out. And now this is the range.